In this video, I'll show you how to sign out of your PlayStation network on your PS5. Maybe you're at a friend, or maybe it's not even your PlayStation and you want to sign out so no one has access to your account. Okay, take your controller and we need to go into the settings, okay, top right corner. From here, go down and select users and accounts. Go down and you need to go where it says other. Click here, go down again and select sign out. Okay, once you have selected sign out, it will be grayed out. You see, it's not white anymore. And if we go back, just to prove you that it worked, let me go back where it says account on the top, and you see here it says you're not signed in. Connect to PlayStation Network to use this feature. So if you want to use any other features of the PS Network, you need to sign in again because we just signed out. It's very easy and can be done in only a few seconds. If you want to delete the user, so not only signing out, but completely deleting the account from the console, so you don't even see that you have been logged in, well, go down and select delete user and select the user that you would like to delete. This will not delete the PS network, okay? Your PlayStation network will still exist. It's just gonna delete it from this specific console. So let's say I want to delete this one. I'll click on it. It will simply ask to confirm, and you'll need to confirm obviously here, and this makes sense. You'll lose all the saved data, all the screenshots and all the video clips, gameplay you have recorded using this account. So if you're okay with this, press yes and it will be gone from this console. So no one will see that you have been logged in. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.